I'm Bonnie with WTI, and these are my unisex Crocs adult sandals with reflexology and acupressure effects, with the most comfortable that you can even imagine. I wear these everywhere. They have the air vents in the top to keep my feet nice and cool. And I like that a great deal, and it really does work. In the summertime, my feet aren't getting all sweaty and causing blisters or contact spots. I like it because it's cool and comfortable on the top. Now on the bottom, we have the acupressure and reflexology points. Every time I take a step, I get the benefits of that. And then, as you can see here, there's a nice deep tread on the bottom. So I'm not going to slip at the pool when I'm wearing these around, or anywhere where I'm wearing them. And that's my point of view.